Hi, I just want to show you what I'm doing here. This is my form in Sheets. Okay. I have the permissions for the sheet. Anyone with a link is an editor. Done. So that's good. Now, I had to go to each one of these photos, and you'll see here's one that doesn't have it. See, this says some collaborators need access to this file. I have to hit share and change it. I don't know if I need to also hit this, but whatever. I've been hitting this, allow anyone with a link to view, share. But I have to go through and do this with each photo individually, and I wish I could just, go like this, right click, or I'm sorry, not right click, hit share, but see it's only going to share this one photo, not all of the ones I have selected. So that's my issue, and I don't know what to do about that because this is really a pain. I've emailed this link to my daughter, and when she opens it, she does not see any photos here, except for the ones that I've hovered over and checked to share it, each individual one. So if I've done 5, she can only see those 5, even though all the other settings are fine. So I don't know what to do with this situation. Hopefully you can help me out. Thank you.